They actually care, they listen, and they want to know what we want so they can actually change it for the better.
If I was the Children's Commissioner, I would make sure that all the local authorities would treat all the children equally.
Sort the housing out.
Supporting you a bit more, not just giving you a load of paperwork.
I would make sure that all children in care and care leavers have the support that they need.
If they struggle or if they think no one's there for them, I'll help them out and all that.
I think that all foster carers should have certain training on how to deal with kids.
Give them a bit more money.
Dwi'n meddwl y beth gyntaf sy'n ni'n neud ydi sbïa ar sut mae tai yn cael ei llety pobl ifanc yn yr ardal yma. Does na ddim digon o dai I pobl ifanc.
Probably the whole social worker being more connected to the children.
I think a lot of young people, their opinions aren't really heard properly.
For more support in emotionally and financially for children who are leaving care.
I found today very interesting about foster care and how other people experience different things.
I learned about what I can access as a care leaver and where to go to really.
It's been an eye-opener and it's been amazing. I'm glad that they have these days.
I think it's been good to know they're not alone and there's other people going through the same thing.
Amazing.
Oh, good.
Great experience.
I thought today was brilliant, it was great, and I would definitely do it again.